Bonjour! In today's lesson we're going to look at the verb visiter and how we can't use that when we want to say we want to visit a person. We have to use rendre visite à quelqu'un. It's something that is quite confusing for us as English speakers, so hopefully by the end of this lesson it'll all make sense. Visiter, you would think, you hear that verb, you think, okay, that means visit, so I can use that for when I would say visit in English. But there are a couple of times when you can't use visiter. And visiter is very much for places. So if you want to go and see the Eiffel Tower, or you want to go and see Paris, or you want to go and visit China, you would visiter those places. Je vais visiter, and then a place. However, you can't use visiter if you're going to visit people. If you use visiter and you're going to visit people, you're almost treating them a bit like a monument. You're going to go and have a look at them and then off you go again. But rendre visite à quelqu'un, quelqu'un meaning somebody, is how you would say I'm going to go and visit that person. I'm going to render them a visit. You're rendering a visit to a person rather than visiter. Okay, so rendre visite à with people, visiter with places. So let's look at a couple of examples. So here's some visiter. So this is very much, we're going to go and have a look at it. Oh, that looks nice, that looks lovely. Explore it all, and then off we go. So, j'ai visité le musée d'Orsay hier. I visited the musée d'Orsay yesterday. On va visiter Paris ce weekend. On va visiter Paris ce weekend. We're going to go and visit. We're going to visit Paris this weekend. Place, place. Tu as déjà visité ce château? Déjà. Have you ever? If you weren't sure about that, have a look at last week's video. It's all about déjà. Tu as déjà visité ce château? Have you ever visited this castle? Nous avons visité les ruines romaines. We have visited the Roman ruins. Again, it's a place. Je vais visiter l'école avant l'inscription. I'm going to visit the school before I sign up for it, before enrollment. So each time we can see here we've got visiter, it doesn't matter what tense it's in, it's always followed by place. Next is the rendre visite. So this one is for people. We are rendering people a visit. And you render it to somebody. What that little a is the to. So, je rends visite à ma famille en Angleterre. I am rendering a visit to, I am visiting my family in England. Je rends visite à ma famille en Angleterre. That's the present tense. Then the past, elle a rendu visite à sa grand-mère. We've got it in the past with the rendu visite. She rendered a visit to her grandma. She visited her grandma. Ils rendent souvent visite à leurs amis à Lyon. They often visit their friends in Lyon. Here, we're still visiting friends. I know we've got a place a bit further down, but it's the friends that we're talking about visiting here. This is the present tense, but the they form. And then here's a future tense. Je vais rendre visite à mon ami aujourd'hui. I'm going to visit my friend today. I'm going to render a visit to my friend today. Je vais rendre visite à mon ami aujourd'hui. So a quick quiz for you just to test you. First one. Pendant notre séjour en Italie, nous avons something Rome et Florence. What do we think? Are we visiting a place or are we visiting people? We're visiting a place, so it's got to be visiter. Bien. Numéro 2. Ce week-end, je vais something mes grands-parents à la campagne. This weekend, I am going my grandparents at in the countryside. Rendre visite à. We've got people there. We're visiting. We're not visiting a place. Numéro 3. Tu as déjà something, le musée du Louvre. Have you ever visited the musée du Louvre? Place, so it's got to be visiter. Next one, number 4. Ils vont something, leurs amis à Bordeaux pendant les vacances. So, who are we visiting here? Is it a place or is it people? We're visiting people. Okay? Yes, we've got place a bit later, but it's the people that we're visiting. So, ils vont rendre visite à leurs amis à Bordeaux pendant les vacances. And number 5. L'année prochaine, on va something les châteaux de la Loire. Next year, we are going les châteaux de la Loire. Well, we're visiting places here, so on va visiter. And the last one, est-ce que tu as something, ta sœur, pendant ton voyage? This is the past tense now. Have you something? Ta sœur, we're visiting a person, so est-ce que tu as rendu visite à ta sœur pendant ton voyage? And that's it. So the difference is visiter is for a place, rendre visite is for a person. I hope that's made it a bit clearer. There is a little help sheet on this, or a little PDF that you can download at the end of this lesson. Just in the description below, you'll see a little link to my website and it'll take you to the PDF you can download for free. Okay, à la semaine prochaine. Au revoir.